Hey there, it's Tom Knotek with MarineMax Sail and Ski in Austin, Texas. And today we have a brand new arrival. It's a 2023 Bayliner DX2250, and we are the local Bayliner dealer. Extremely proud to be, especially with pieces like this. This is their larger deck boat, which has lots of space, rides real smooth on the water. And if you would like to come along with me, I'm going to take you through my 5 favorite features on this boat. One of my favorite features has to be the extended swim platform on this boat. It almost looks as if there's 2 swim platforms, giving you plenty of space to have fun on the back of the boat. Next, I love the 2-position sun lounger in the port side seat on this boat. You can face aft or you can face forward on this 2-position sun lounger, or you have this port side seat right here that you can face aft. You can set it to face forward, which you can see you'll have foot space in this position, or you can close out the foot space, turn it into a bench, lay out, enjoy the sun, or potentially get another guest on your boat. The layout and the space this Bayliner deck boat provides is a favorite feature of mine. You'll notice this boat has lots of space. It's very deep on the freeboard, which buys you extra space. This boat does have a starboard entrance and exit to the transom, which is extremely convenient. And you'll notice as you make it up to the bow, you have plenty of space up there as well. Welcome to the helm being my next favorite feature. It includes a 7-inch Simrad screen for all of your instrumentation, as well as a Rockford Fosgate head unit that has Bluetooth capability. Last but not least, this boat comes with not 1 but 2 telescoping boarding ladders. The first one up at the bow of the boat, and this one is in the back transom off the swim platform, so you always have a little bit of help getting back in. Thanks again for coming along with me to check out this available 2023 Bayliner DX2250. Once again, this is the only one of these we have in stock. This one came in not too long ago. So if you're interested in this boat or you have any questions on it, you can reach out to me directly at 512-774-0866. Otherwise, if you're looking for someone to listen to you and learn about what your needs are specifically to fit you into the right boat or your dream boat, you can reach out to me for that as well. Till next time, I will see you either here at the boat dealership with all the boats that we have in stock right now, or I will catch you on the lake playing.